recording mode. Today concept is very important concept. I will tell you very important concepts. First, test execution. Today first, second, third. Today first concept to test execution.
Okay.
Test execution means, first of all, once again we need to remember test case ID, test case type,
Type.
test case description,
Description.
expected value, actual value,
Password.
result. Test case ID I am writing now. TC1, TC001. Test case type positive. Test case description, open login screen. For example, open login screen. What is customer expecting? Whenever open the login screen should contain username, password,
Password.
connect to fields, and login clear cancel button. That is the customer expecting. Login, clear, cancel buttons.
Right.
Actual value. What is the actual value? This is the expected value is nothing but that is the customer requirement. When will we write the actual value? Whenever the developed application came into the testing area, that time whatever we are doing or whatever in the description column already we wrote one action. So we will perform on the developed application. Whatever we are getting, that is we will write in actual value. Whatever
Okay.
we are getting, that is we will write in actual value. That is called test execution. That is called test execution.
Test execution.
Next to result analysis. Next to result analysis, we will compare with the expected value with the actual value. If it is both are same, we can give the status pass. Otherwise, we can give the status fail. Got it? Okay, we will
Got it.
compare with the expected value with the actual value. If it is both are same, we can give the status pass. Otherwise, we can give the status fail. That is result analysis. Okay, that is result analysis.
Result.
In the test case template only, we have another fields, severity and priority. After result, we have some more two fields. One is severity, second one is priority. So today first concept is severity. Whenever you are raising the defect, whenever you are raising the defect to developers, so compulsory we need to mention the severity. What do you mean by severity? Severity is nothing but seriousness of the defect.
Okay.
Severity is nothing but seriousness of the defect. So you are raising the defect. So just you need to tell what is the seriousness of the defect. What is the seriousness of the defect? It is a small defect or big defect or normal defect. It is very small defect. You need to mention. So in severity concept, we can classify all the defects into 4 types. Okay, whenever you are raising the defect, we need to mention the seriousness of the defect. That means it is a small defect, it is a big defect, it is very big defect, like so we can't mention like it is a big defect, it is a small defect, it is a very small defect. So that is not good. So that's the reason severity is, there are 4 types of severities. One is fatal, it is a very big defect.
Uh-huh.
Major, minor, suggestions. Okay, there are 4 types of defects. Okay, What do you mean by severity? Seriousness of the defect. Just we are saying about seriousness something. So there are 4 types of severities. So whenever we are raising the defect, we need to mention the severity also. Seriousness also we need to mention. So severity is nothing but seriousness of the defect. There are 4 types of severities. One is fatal, major, minor,
Suggestions.
suggestions. What do you mean by fatal defect? Fatal defect means it is a very big defect. So what is fatal defect? I will explain you now. Based on the customer requirements, application should contain 2 buttons. Application should contain 2 buttons.
2 buttons.
But developed only 1 button. 1 button is missing.
Mhm.
1 button is missing. This such type of defects is known as fatal defects. This such type of defects is known as fatal defects.
Fatal defect.
Fatal defects means unavailability of functionality. Total functionality is missed. So that's why we are calling
Okay.
fatal defects or unavailability of functionality. Here one functionality totally missed. Here one functionality totally missed.
Functional. Yeah.
This type of defects is known as fatal defects. Next, major defects.
Mhm.
Major defects means we have value 1 field, value 2 field, result, addition, subtraction. Addition, subtraction. I am taking 10 in the place of value 1 and taking 20 in the place of value 2.
Mhm.
I am clicking an add button, it is showing minus 10.
Okay.
I am clicking an add button, it is showing minus 10. So, what is that? Why it is showing minus 10?
That's the wrong functionality. I mean,
Just
it's not doing
functionality,
its job. Yeah.
functionality is
Functionality is
properly
not
working, but just label changed. In the place of add, they kept sub.
Okay.
Just label changed. Functionality is properly working. Why? Because so I'm taking 10 in the place of value 1, I'm taking 20. I'm clicking an add button, it is showing minus 10. So that means functionality is properly working. It is doing some subtraction. It is performing some action. But whenever you are clicking an add button, it is showing minus 10. That means that functionality, that label changed. These type of defects is known as major defects. These type of defects is known as major defects.
Major defects.
Next,
Okay.
minor defects. Minor defects is nothing but look and feel defects. For example, I have one field V1, just it is very small. I have another field V2. It is very small. I have result field. It is very big. So there is no look and feel. If it is any application complication, each and every button and each and every field should contain consistency and alignment should be good. But here is the V1 is small, V2 is very small, and result is very big. So this is not look and feel application. So that's the reason this type of defects is known as minor defects.
Minor defects.
Whenever the customer giving the requirements, compulsory he will maintain, he will give the requirements like each and every button should be alignment should be good, or each and every application in the application each and every button should be consistent with each other. But here is one button is very small, one button is very big, one button is medium. So this is not a look and feel application. These type of defects. Here is look and feel missed. Here is look and feel missed. Okay. These defects is
Okay.
known as minor defects. And last
Okay.
one, suggestions. Suggestions means it is very, 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 very small defects. It is very, very, very small defects. Like in the place, instead of place, we are writing minus.
Mhm.
Instead of comma, we are writing dot. So these type of defects is known as suggestions. Okay, these
Right.
are the
Right.
severities. Severity is nothing but seriousness of the defect. There are four severities: fatal, major, minor,
Major, minor
suggestions.
suggestions.
Okay, we have four defects. Okay, now you need to give the priority. Okay, which one you will give the more priority?
Fatal one.
No,
Suggestions.
no.
Priority. Well, major,
No,
minor then.
no. Okay, for example, your class timing is 5 o'clock, India time 5 o'clock, 5 p.m.
Yeah.
Suddenly, your closest friend, your childhood friend, closest friend came to your house for just
Okay.
after 20 years. After 20 years, he came to your house. Class time is 5 o'clock. Right now, your time is 4:59. After 1 minute,
Uh-huh.
you have class. So, what will you do? You will
I
come
would
to
take the
class or you
class
will talk with
first.
your friend?
I would come to the class first.
First, okay, right. That is one situation. Right. Second situation, just the same 5 o'clock you have class, but you
Mhm.
got sudden problem. Urgently, you need to go to outside. It's very, very important. It's how much important means it is that is your life. So now,
I
no, you will come to class or you will go out.
I will go out.
Yes. Now, why you are first time you are saying I will come to class. Now you are saying I will go out. Why you are saying?
Because it depends on the situation.
Ah, great,
Depends
great.
on the case.
Priority is
Okay.
nothing but based on the situation, priority will be changed. If it is fatal or major, minor suggestions, whatever it is,
Mhm.
based on the situation, priority will be changed. Now, before marriage, each and every person they will give priority to mother. After
Yeah.
marriage, automatically, unfortunately,
Goes to wife.
that is common, not in India, wherever you go, that is common. So based on the
Yeah.
situation, priority will be changed. Okay, right.
Mhm.
Okay, priority is nothing but priority. In what sequence defect has to be rectified? Priority,
Mhm.
priority, priority. In what sequence? In what sequence? Defect has to be rectified. Defect has to be rectified.
Rectify.
Already we have four severities. One is fatal,
Major,
major,
minor, and suggestions.
minor, suggestions. Now, priorities also we have four. Priorities also we have four types of priorities. One is critical, one is critical, second one is high, third one is medium, fourth one is low. Okay, there are four types of priorities. One is critical, second one is high, third one is medium, fourth one is low. Already I told you based
Low.
on the situation, priority will be changed. Okay, based on the situation, priority
Yeah.
will be changed. Although some people they are saying if it is fatal defect, we will give critical priority. If it is a major defective, we will give high priority. Minor defective, we will give medium priority. If it is suggestions, we will give low priority. That is not correct.
Low
Based on the situation, priority will be changed. First situation, you are working in one software company. Delivery date is tomorrow. Delivery date is tomorrow.
tomorrow.
But only visiting purpose, customer is coming to company. Customer is coming to company just to visiting
Company.
purpose. He came to that area. So beside that area, that software company is there. That's the reason he is coming to software company. Just tomorrow that application going to deliver. But just he is coming just to visiting purpose. In that situation, okay. In that situation,
Okay.
application is under developing. Under developing. It is going to deploy tomorrow, not today. So in that situation, there are 4 defects like fatal, major, minor, suggestions. Which one you will give more priority?
I will go for minor
Why?
because we have to deliver that software application by tomorrow,
Mm,
and he's coming to check if how the progress is going on. Then definitely we don't have time to rectify the fatal one,
mm,
which will take longer time, and even the major, it's going to take more time.
mm.
So we got less time. So only way to rectify, only way to do is to rectify the minor and suggestions.
Oh. Nearby, you said right answer, but you are saying explanation is not correct.
Okay.
Yeah, minor defects only we are giving high priority. Why? Because that is the look and feel. He is coming. He is not work with application. Just he will observe out and out. Just outside he will look. He will not work with application. Just he will check. Just he will observe. So how much work is going, how it is going, my expectation is reaching or not. Just he will check.
Mhm.
He will not work
Okay.
with
Yeah.
application. In that situation, we will give the more priority to minor defects. Minor means look and feel. Minor means look and feel.
Look
Okay,
and
for
feel.
example, you are going to marriage looks. Okay, you are going to
Mhm.
marriage looks. That time totally you will concentrate on which one?
For marriage, girl.
Oh, girl. You will concentrate on girl. If it is girl is good or not. Just we are more concentrate on look and feel now. In that situation, we will concentrate more on if it is girl is good, looking is good or not. Okay, how she is talking, how he is walking, how is behave, how it is behaving. Just we will concentrate that area. In that situation, we will concentrate in that area only. So here also he will concentrate only on look and feel. He will concentrate only on look and feel. Whenever you are going to marriage, first time we will not talk with how much you are how much you will give dowry, how much how many properties you have. We will not concentrate. First of all, we will concentrate on
No.
the good the goal is looking good or not. So here also
Yeah.
in this situation that customer is coming to company, just he will not work with application, just he will observe. So how much work is finished, how much is pending, and how my expectation that application is reaching or not, he is checking. He will check, he will not work with application. In that situation, we will concentrate only on look and feels. Okay,
Yes.
here look and feel is the minor defect, but we are giving critical priority.
Mm.
It is a minor defect. Look and feel is a minor defect, but we are giving high priority. That means critical priority we are giving. Right?
Right. Right. That's correct. Yeah.
Right. Second example, second scenario.
Mhm.
Second scenario. Yeah. Based on the customer expectation, that application need to develop 100%.
Mhm.
But developer developed only 50% is the application is developed, and they sent to testing department. Already we tested that area. 50% application we tested.
Mhm.
Delivery date is tomorrow. Delivery date is tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
They developed only 50%, and that 50% application is tested. Okay. Now
Okay.
delivery date is tomorrow. This is what type of defect?
Yeah, I will go for the critical priority. Will go for the minor
No.
suggestions.
This is the which type of defect?
Oh, this is fatal.
Yeah, fatal defect. Half of the application is developed, not yet finished, remaining one. So this is the fatal defect. But in the testing area, testers will give low priority. Why they will give low priority?
Yeah, they will give low priority because there is no time to check for the other rest of the uncompleted developed
If it is not
software.
developed, if that application is not developed, how we can test the application? So we will not develop the application. Developers need to develop the application. Developers not yet developed. Why we need to do? What we need to do? So there is no chance. So in that situation, we will give low priority. We will give low priority. That is not our work. That is developers not developed. What I do? So
Nothing.
yeah, that is fatal defect. Actually, this is half of the application is developed, remaining half of the functionality not yet developed. But in that situation, testers will give low priority. That is actually fatal defect. That is actually
Hmm.
fatal defect. But we will give low priority. Why we will give low priority? Developer not yet developed. What we will do? So we will
Nothing.
not
Yeah.
develop the application. So if the developer developed, then we will do testing. The developers not yet developed. What we will do? So in that situation, we will give low priority. That defect type is fatal defect, but we are giving low priority. So
Mm.
that means simply we can say based on the situation, priority will be changed. Okay, there are four
Yeah.
severities: fatal, major, minor, suggestions, and as well as we have four priorities. What do you mean by priority? In what sequence defect has to be rectified? In what sequence
Right.
defect has to be
Defect has to be
rectified?
rectified.
Okay, so the, based on the situation, priority will be changed. Got it?
Yes.
Right.
Got it.
That is
There.
severity and priority. Severity given by test engineers, priority given by developers.
Okay.
Okay, whenever you are raising the defect, we will give severity. Seriousness, we will mention. Developers, they will give priority. They will give priority.
Priority.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Next, if you want to raise the defect, each and every software company separately based on the company ethics standards, based on the company strategy, they will maintain one defect profile template. If you want to raise the defect, we need to use specific format. Okay, defect profile
Hmm.
template.
Template.
Defect profile template. Defect profile template. In this defect profile template contains some fields. One is defect ID, next defect description,
Hmm.
expected value. Oh no. Defect ID, defect description, and steps for reproducibility. Steps for reproducibility.
Reproduct. Producibility.
Producibility. Submitter, submitter,
Submitter.
date of submission,
Submission.
version number,
Version number.
build number, and assigned to. Whenever you are raising the defect, you should follow this template, defect profile template format. You need to raise the defect in this using this defect profile template. If you keep the mail, they will not accept you.
Okay.
This is the defect profile template. What is defect ID? 001. Defect description. Add button not working. Add button not working. So steps for reproducibility. So what are the steps you followed? What are the steps you followed? Like I have taken 10 in the place of value 1. I have taken 20 in the place of value 2. If I click on add button, that is showing 40. So you need to mention that steps. What you followed, that steps you need to mention.
Is it?
Okay.
Okay.
What are the steps you followed? Okay. Just you are saying, you are raising the defect, you are saying defect is add button is not working fine. Add button is
Mm-hmm.
not working
Not
fine.
working.
So whenever you are raising the defect, what steps you followed? So why it is showing defect? What is the answer it is showing? Why? What is the response it coming? You need to mention clearly. So just I taken one application in the place of value one I taken 10 and I taken 20. If I click on add button, it is
Result.
showing 40.
Mhm.
So like that, we need to mention the steps. Got it, sir?
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Submitter. Raj. You are the test engineer, so you need to mention your name, Raj. Date of submission. Today date 5th, 11,
November.
15. Version number 8. Build number 2. Like
Mhm.
whenever you are raising the defect, we need to fill these fields. Okay, defect ID,
Oh,
defect description, and the date of steps for reproducibility, submitter, date of submission, version number, and build number. Okay, these fields filled by test engineer and assigned field filled by development lead.
mhm.
We will fill the field
Development lead.
lead based on the your defect. Based on the defect type, you will assign that defect to one corresponding developer. Okay, all
Develop.
the fields filled by testers, only one field assigned to field filled by test engineer. Assigned to field filled by test engineer. Okay, that is the concept.
Okay.
Defective profile template. Whenever you are working with any software company, each and every software company separately, uniquely, they will maintain one template, that is defective profile template. Okay, all the companies separately they will maintain one defect profile templates. So whenever you want to raise the defect, we will use the template and we will raise the defect. We will raise the defect to developers. Then only developers will accept the defects. So otherwise, if you keep the mail, okay, if you keep the mail, then they
Mm-hmm.
will not accept. And if you keep the WhatsApp, then they will not accept. So compulsory, we need to format one template, one format, then only they will
Defect
accept.
profile templates.
Defect
Okay.
profile template. Some companies are using quality center. I will teach you quality center also. Quality center. Wherever you go, 90% of the companies are using quality center. I will teach you quality center. Okay. Usually all the
Okay.
companies, wherever you go, if it is India, UK, Australia, Germany, Japan, wherever you go, all the companies are using one tool for defect raising, quality
Mm-hmm.
center. So I will teach you quality center also. After
Okay.
end of the manual course, after
Mm-hmm.
completing the manual course, I will teach you, I will show you quality center also. So usually wherever you go, 90% of the companies are using quality center. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, right. Next concept, and in STLC content 6 phases: test planning finished, test development finished, test execution finished, result analysis finished, and bug tracking is pending, reporting finished. Reporting, this is the reporting. Okay, next,
Okay.
last one, bug tracking. Bug tracking. Bug tracking. How to find the
Tracking.
defects, how to find the bugs. Observe carefully. It's very, very important concept. Sometimes they will ask you only one question, that is, just tell me bug tracking process. That is the only one question. That is the last question also. That is very, very important question. Just tell me, Raj, tell me bug tracking process. Then you need to say process. Just you need to tell this process only. Okay,
Okay.
bug tracking. First, FRS, customer requirement document. They will send one set of copy to developers and they will send to another set of copy to testers. Based on the customer requirement, developers they will divide the whole project into some modules
Mm-hmm.
and they will divide one module into some sub modules. And after that, they will develop build wise. They will develop build wise,
Bill.
build wise, build wise. And they will develop one build and they will send it to testing department.
Mm-hmm.
This is the build one, sent to testing department. Now, testers are already they got that FRS document. Based on the FRS document, they will write test cases based on the customer requirement. This build is properly developed or not. They will do testing.
Mm-hmm.
If they feel yes, this build is properly developed. If they feel yes, this build is properly developed, then they will stop the testing process.
Okay.
They will stop the testing process. If it is testers feel no, based on the customer requirement, this application or this build is not yet developed. If they feel, then
Mm-hmm.
they will give status new. They will give the status new and they will raise the defect to developers. Then developers will check that raised defect. Is it really defect or not? If they feel yes, this is defect, then they will give the status open. They will give the status open and they will rectify the
Open.
problem and once again they will send to testing department as build 2. They will rectify and once again they will send to testing department. Then once again testers will do testing based on the customer requirements. This build is properly rectified or not. Rectified or not.
Mm-hmm.
Once again we will do testing. If we feel yes developed, then we will give the status closed. Why? Because first time if it is first time, then we will give status stop. Second time we will give the status closed. Why? Because already we raised the defect. So we will give the status closed. And if we feel no, this defect not at all defect, not at all verified or rectified, then once again we will reopen the defect and we will raise the defect to developers. Once again, they will do testing. Developers, they will perform testing. Based on the, already we verified this defective, but that fellows, that testers, once again they sent this defective. Is it really defect or not? Once again, they will do testing. If they feel yes, this is defect, then once again they will give status open and they will rectify and they will give they will send it to testing department as build 3. Sometimes
Same build again
same
and
build
again.
only they are rectifying. That is what is that is, for example, we are raising the
Mhm.
defect, then they will rectify the problem. They will not develop new application. Okay, they are rectifying
Okay.
the problem. That means they are doing some patch. They are adding some patch. Once again they are
Mm.
sending same build only, but they are giving name is build 3. Why? Because this is the third time they are sending to testing department. That's why they are giving build 3. They are whenever you are
Okay.
raising the defect, that time they will not develop new application. Developer developed application only. They are adding something. They are rectifying the problem. They are writing the code once again and they did some mistakes. They are rectifying. Okay, they are not developing
Right.
any new application. So whenever you are raising the defect means they will not develop new application, just they are rectifying the problem. Once again they are sending to testing department. So
Okay.
here sometimes developers will feel no, not at all, this is not at all defect. If they fail, then they will give status reject. Sometimes developers will reject the defect. Why? Because, for example, in my opinion, in my strategy, in my thinking, just sometimes it will be defect. Sometimes,
Right.
sometimes that is my opinion, that is my strategy, that is my thinking. Sometimes developers will not accept. So whenever you are raising the defect, you need to consult, you need to talk with your colleague, you need to talk with
Mhm.
your team lead. Then only you need to raise the defect. Why? Because sometimes we are the humans. Okay, sometimes we
Yeah.
can fault. So that is the reason whenever you are raising the defect, compulsory we need to talk with developers or colleagues. Okay, if it
Right.
is very close colleague, if it is he is very close, then you need to talk with Raj. So in my opinion, in my application, I feel this is the defect. Is it correct or not? My opinion is correct or not? My thinking is correct
Mhm.
or not? You should ask, then he will suggest. Okay, in my situation also, in my opinion also, if it this is defect, if he say, then we can raise the defect, otherwise no. So wherever you go, whenever you are raising the defect, we need to get the permission from your superiors. That means you need to get the permission from team lead, then only you can able to, you can raise the defect, otherwise
Okay.
you can't. Why? Because if at all not at all defect, you are raised one defect, but you are without asking permission, without telling to your superior, you raised one defect, they rejected. If they were developers, they didn't accept that defect. No, not at all defect. If they say, then that is very trouble. You are in trouble. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Because you will not get support from your team lead, you will not get
If you
support
do
from
not.
your colleagues also. Why? Because that is your own credit purpose, you developed, you raised that defect only, your own credit purpose. Okay,
Yeah.
that's not correct. Whenever you are working with any software company, any team, so you should take the suggestions from your colleagues, team leads, then only you can able to send the defect. Only your purpose, if you feel defect, then you need no need to, that's not correct. So compulsory. Why? Because sometimes whatever you are doing, you will feel, yes, I'm doing correct, but
Mm-hmm.
whatever you are doing, sometimes somebody they will feel that is not correct. So in
Okay.
your opinion, always you can feel, and you can think yourselves like, whatever I'm doing, I totally correct. So sometimes somebody will hurt you, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Right.
that's the reason. So whenever you are raising the defect, compulsory you should talk with your colleagues or team lead, and you should take the permission from colleagues or team lead. If you
Team lead.
get the permission, so if it is not at all defect, then that is not big issue. Why? Because
Yeah.
you got already, you have the support from your team lead. So
Team. Yeah.
he will do something, he will do something without taking the permission, without talking with your superiors. So you can't raise the defect. If you raise the defect, you are in trouble.
Okay.
Okay, right. Okay,
It's
sometimes,
basically a teamwork, isn't it?
yeah, if it is any project, any work, that is the teamwork only, not only yours work. So if it is achieve, if it is drawback, everything based on the team lead. Team lead, that is the total work is team lead. For example, you are working in software company, without, you don't know anything, you raise one defect, that is not at all defect, developers rejected. Oh, in that situation, first project lead will call to team lead. Team lead, come to
Mm-hmm.
my cabin. Team lead will go to project manager cabin. Yeah,
Right.
project manager will say, team lead, what are you doing?
Mm-hmm.
Your team person raising defective, you are sleeping. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Why? why you are coming to company? Just go and sit in your home. Why are you coming? So that
Right.
fellow raised the defect to that development lead or development project lead is scouting. What I need to do? You don't have responsibility. Who is that person?
Exactly. Yeah.
Without you asking your permission, how he is raising the defect? Are you giving leniency? Why are you coming to company? Ah, shut. He will shout. So that is main responsibility for team lead.
Team lead. Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. So if it is defective, no problem. You are safe. That credit total come to your career. But is if
Mm.
at all, if they are not accepting the defect, that is that situation is crucial, very very crucial.
Right. Mm.
Okay.
We'll be in
Sometimes
trouble. Yeah.
in real life, in real life also we are scouting. In software companies also they
That's
will
true.
scout, but they will give simply, why are you coming to
Mm.
company? Shameless. Only one word enough. Just weekend.
Yeah.
So it's very, very, they will same in our real life. Two friends are fighting. So they are using illegal words, something, serious
Yeah.
words they will use. But in software company, they will use one small word, shameless.
Mm.
Enough. We can,
And that is enough. Yeah.
that is very, very enough. Okay. Yeah. Sometimes developers will reject the defects. Okay. And
Right.
sometimes they will feel, is this defect or not? Sometimes they will feel confused. In that situation, they will give status hold.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they will give status as per design.
Right.
Sometimes they will give status as per design. Okay. As per design situation is based on the customer requirements, application should contain two buttons.
Mm-hmm.
Developer developed three buttons.
Right.
So we will raise the defect to developers. Sir, actual customer requirement is two buttons, but you developed three buttons, so that's why we are raising the defect. We will write the description and we will send to developers. They will give explanation. Actually, based on the
Mm-hmm.
FRS, actually he want two buttons, but newly added one requirement, he want three buttons. They will give explanation. So in that situation, they will give as per design. As per design means newly customer requirement added.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, now tell me, new status given by, new status given by
Developers.
testers. Whenever you are first time raising the defect to develop, testers will give the status new.
Mm-hmm.
Open status given by developers and stop status given by testers.
Testers.
Closed status given by testers
Mm-hmm.
and reopen status given by testers
Testers.
and rejected status given by developers.
Developers.
Hold status given by developers.
Developers.
As per design status given by developers.
Developers.
Okay, this is bug life cycle, very very important. Okay, so it's very very important. Just already I have sent you total entire notes manual with automation. Just already in the notes I have one diagram. So that is different to this is my own creativity. So that is the that is very good. Just you can observe, you can get it everything. Okay, na, sir.
Okay. Yeah,
That
sure.
is today's session, and next session
Mhm.
in India, Deepavali. When Deepavali? Diwali.
Uh, is it Friday?
No, 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 no. Not Friday. 11th means Thursday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Uh, yeah,
I,
it's Wednesday, I guess. Give
will
me a sec.
if it is Wednesday,
I'll
so
have
there
it.
is no class. Thursday only we have class. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Coming days, we have Diwali.
Thursday and Friday and
Yeah,
Saturday.
Divan.
Yeah.
At any time, if it is possible, just to add in your WhatsApp my number. So I will message
Okay.
you. I will be touch with you. Just to give me a message.
Okay, definitely. Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. Now I will send you recorded file. Just once read the notes and do two more classes. We can complete our manual testing.
Okay.
Okay. After manual testing, already I told you now, manual testing will be something somewhat bored. After entering into automation, it will be very crazy. Okay, it will be very good. Just okay. After two classes, we can enter into automation. Now, okay, I will send you recorded file. Have a nice day. Take care. Enjoy.
Uh,
Happy.
okay, sir.
Happy.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Um, so we are finishing manual testing in 2 days, two
Mm,
classes.
mm.
So is there any real time, like, would you provide me any software like SDLCs
I will
kind
explain
of?
you one project end to end. Okay, after completing manual
Okay.
testing, I will teach you quality center. Only manual with quality center also you can try for job and you can try to face the interview. Then you can get confidence. Just after finishing manual testing and quality center, you can able to attend the interviews also. Some companies they will ask only manual testing with quality center. So just you should start the interview. You should attend the interviews. Then you can get some confidence. Okay.
Mhm.
And
Okay.
you are
So
from
which tools I will be using, like for
Selenium.
interview, if they ask you?
Oh, Selenium. Selenium, they will ask you. Wherever you go, all the people nowadays they are using, they are encouraging only Selenium. Even Kirti also he did Selenium only. But 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 you are from UK, right?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, you should have certification. That is very very mandatory. You should do
Mm.
manual
I
certification.
used to keep them.
Ah,
Yeah.
ISTQB. That is very, very mandatory. Even that Vijay also he did. He did in my center only. Okay. That is very compulsory.
Okay.
If you want job immediately and if you want to get a number of calls compulsory, you should be
Yeah. Okay.
qualified. Qualified means that is you should have ca- certification. Then only they will concentrate. They will call you. So if you are able to do the certification, if you are able to write the exam, then you can do it. Otherwise, I can do it. Okay, no need to worry. Just I will give
Hmm.
the now I am giving the information. If it is possible, you can
Right.
do it. But if
Hmm.
it is not possible, I can do it. No need to worry. But compulsory, you should be qualified.
Qualified.
That is very very important. Okay, all the companies, if it is India, some companies will ask you, some companies will not ask you. But if it is other side, like if it is New Zealand and Canada, UK
Hmm.
and Australia and in America, some companies compulsory they are totally concentrating on certifications. So you should do certification. If it is possible, if it is able to do, you can do. Otherwise I can do. Okay.
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 Yeah.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Happy weekend. Once again, we have class on Thursday. I will tell you. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. This Diwali, I'm going to my hometown and I will come back that next day only. So, if it is possible, I can take the class Wednesday. That is Diwali. Wednesday, Thursday, I can
Yeah.
take the class, but I will tell you. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Have
No
a nice day.
problem.
Take care.
Happy
Bye.
Diwali.
Happy weekend. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
ఇప్పుడు stop.